of many chores today on the Bronco is to install the sun visors. There's no holes in the windshield frame to do that, so now we've got to make some holes. It's always nervous drilling into a fresh part with fresh paint on something that's almost finished. But we're putting some protection up and we're gonna dive in this thing and get it done. Now you see I've already installed the wiper cover. Before I did that, I had to wire the wiper, and I went ahead and I had pulled wires through for a optional dome light. Yeah, that's what the word I'm looking for. I don't have a dome light, but I'm thinking about ordering one and putting it in here. I think it'll make things a lot nicer. So let me bring you guys in closer and let's see what we're fixing to not screw up. As you can see, there's no holes for the bracket that holds the sun visors up. So that's what we need to do. Tape this stuff up and get the sun visors in. Already got the other side taped. Let's go drill some holes. All right, so before I get carried away, I need to install the brackets in the sun visor. Now, I did not cover these sun visors. Usually I build sun visors from scratch, but these are out of the box. They match the seat pretty good. I usually build sun visors, but these things were way cheaper than I could build them, and they actually matched perfect. So let's get this stuff installed, and then what we're gonna do, locate these holes and get this sun visor installed. All right, so now that I've got the sun visor brackets on, I can install the sun visor on one side by just pushing it in. On this side, I need to go ahead and mark my holes and drill those out. And we want to try to keep them level, but I don't want to be at the bottom. Let's see about right there, and then we're going to close it and see what it looks like. All right, I think that's going to work right there. All right, now when you drill through like that and the paint is hot, you want to be very careful when you pull that last piece of tape off. You don't want to pull any paint off with it. All right, it looks good. All right, so I chased the holes with the screws that I'm using. Make sure that they were gonna fit good. And so we can't get this to line back up. All right, after I've run the screws in to let it make some threads, it's time to install the sun visor. Remember, pull your tape off slow and pull it down at an angle. I put 3 or 4 layers of tape on here because in the past, sometimes I've broken a drill bit and what's left of the drill bit dances all the way across that shiny paint. Now, it has been a long time since I've done that, which means I've gotten better and I know how much trouble it is to fix anything like that. Take your time, use good sharp drill bits, and most of all, make you a nice punch hole to start with. And there we go, guys. Well, there we go, guys. Just a simple install. Didn't take very long at all. Most of all, you got to be careful. Use good sharp drill bits and always plan for the worst. Broken drill bits dancing across the paint. Protect the paint at all cost. So this is just one of about 20 things I'm trying to get checked off this old Bronco today. Anything else that I think of that you guys might want to see, I'm going to bring you guys along. But as always, thanks for watching. Thanks for liking the videos. And most of all, thanks for subscribing. Now get out in the garage and go build something. See you guys in the next episode. Spanky's gone.